How can I download CyberFlix on my smart TV?
Hello, viewers. Today, we're going to guide you on how to download and install CyberFlix on your smart TV. Whether you're a movie enthusiast or a fan of binge-watching TV series, CyberFlix can be a fantastic addition to your entertainment setup.
What is CyberFlix?
CyberFlix is an online streaming application, providing you with access to thousands of movies and TV shows. It's a third-party app, which means it isn't available directly on smart TV app stores. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the installation process step by step.
What do you need?
Before we start, you need to ensure you have the following: a smart TV that allows third-party installations, an internet connection, a USB drive, downloader app installed on your smart TV.
How to enable third-party installations?
First, you need to enable third-party installations on your smart TV. To do this, 1. Navigate to Settings on your smart TV. 2. Go to Security and Restrictions. 3. Then, turn on Unknown Sources. This will allow you to install apps that are not from the official App Store.
How to install Downloader app?
If you don't have the Downloader app installed, 1. Go to your smart TV's App Store. 2. Search for Downloader. 3. Install the Downloader app. This app allows you to download files directly to your smart TV.
How to download CyberFlix?
Once you have everything set, follow these steps. 1. Open the Downloader app on your smart TV. 2. In the URL field, enter the CyberFlix APK download link. Please note, due to security reasons, we can't provide a link here. Make sure to find a reliable source. 3. Hit download. 4. Once the download is complete, select install.
How to use CyberFlix?
Congratulations! You have now installed CyberFlix on your smart TV. To use it, 1. Navigate to your smart TV's app drawer. 2. Find and open the CyberFlix app. 3. You can now browse and stream your favorite movies and TV shows. That's it, folks. We hope this guide helped you install CyberFlix on your smart TV. Now, all that's left is to grab some popcorn and enjoy your favorite movies and TV shows. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Happy streaming!